Hello all. This video is purely meant for Class 9 ICSE students. In today's class, we shall learn how to write printing statements and escape sequences from chapter 2 and 3.
Let us learn about printing statements and escape sequence. Printing statements, there are two types. Printing statement is also known as output statements. Okay, there are two types of printing statements: system.out.println and system.out.print statement. Okay, now let us see example for println. So println is a method inside the class system. So using punctuator dot, we are calling the method in the class system using the object out. So system is the predefined class, out is the object of the class, println is the method of the class. So dot is the punctuator to show the scope of the function inside the class. Then println is a method in that a new line character is attached at the end of the statement. That means here one example is given. The first statement we're going to print hello. Then next statement we have to print world. So when we give println, after printing hello, the control goes to the next line. Then print world, again control goes to the next line. That means a new line character is attached at the end of the println statement. Now let us see the output of this program. So here the file name is println. Now let us see the output. See, these two statements are printed in different lines. First hello, then world. Now let us see another example using println and print together. So print is before that let us see the print. Let us see the difference between print and println. So in print statement there is no new line character attached at the end. That means both the words will print in the same line. Now let us see the output. For that first we have to compile. Now see the output. See, now both words we have printed in the same line. Now in the same example we have to give print and println together, and let us see the difference. So first statement print itself I am giving. Next I am going to give println. Then one more statement we are going to add, that is system dot out dot print how are you. So now what will be the output? First hello will print, no new line character is attached. So the next printing word is world. That world will also print in the same line with the hello. Then after printing world, control goes to the next line. Then print how are you. Now where's the control? Will remains in the same line. Now let us see the output. Compile, then output. See, hello world I gave in print statement I gave hello. So cursor remains here or control remains here. Then what is the next printing statement? Next is println world. So world will print in the same line. Then after printing world, control goes to the next line. Then print how are you. Now how are you? We printed using println statement. Okay. Let us see one more example giving. So print how are you? How are you is printing the line. Now where is the control? Control remains in the same line where how are is printed. Now we have to give one more statement. So where it will print the same line or next line. Now compile and close. Now let us see the output. See, hello world, how are you, students? Okay, that means hello we gave using print statement, then world using println, then we gave how are you using print. Students we gave inside the println. Now control goes to the next line. After printing students, control goes to the next line. Okay, hope it is clear. I mean print and println statement. Now let us see another example for. Now let us see escape sequence. Actually, escape sequence is non-graphical character we are using in printing statement, either in print or println statement. For example, if you want to print special characters like single quotes, slash, double quotes, in that case we have to use a escape sequence. So it is represented by backslash. So for showing that example, I'm taking another file, that is escape sequence file. Then let us see some examples. Before that, I will show how to print the special characters without will it print or not, let us see. And then I want to print hello. Then I have to give space hello. Then I want to give how are you in double quotes. That means here we have given space and two double quotes. That means I want to print how are you inside double quotes. Now let us see whether it is working or not. See, so printing double quotes in the output statement without escape sequences showing error. It will not work. Okay, so now we have to give printing escape sequence. Okay, so double quotes you want to print. So here space also there. So for space, which escape sequence you have to use slash t tab space. T for tab space. So I gave a t here. Okay. Then slash double quotes we want to print, right? Double quotes. So for that again I have given slash. This slash backslash is for escape sequence. After escape sequence, if double quotes or single quotes or slash, it will display in the output. Okay, then slash double quotes. Now let us see the output. Now showing no error, close it, then escape sequence file we have to run. Now see the output. After printing hello, tab space, 8 spaces are there, then double quotes printed in the output, the beginning of how are you and the end of the sentence how are you. Now we have to update the code using another escape sequence. Suppose if you want to print how are you in the next line. So for that we are using another escape sequence, that is n, new line character. Slash n is a new line character. So backslash is for escape sequence. Now slash n. That means I want to print how are you in the next line. Okay, so after given hello, give slash n for new line, then given double quotes for how are you. Okay, let us change into single quotes. Now how to print single quotes, give slash and give single quotes. Here also slash for escape sequence, then the character, special character we have to print is single quotes. So I changed into single quotes instead of double quotes. So what will be the output? Hello will be in the first line, then next line it will print how are you with inside the single quotes. Okay, now let us see the output. See, this is the output. Hello printed in the first line, then slash n for new line, then statement after slash n will print in the next line inside the single quotes. Same way, I want to print slash in the output. Okay, I mean hello, the word hello I have to put inside 2 slashes. Okay, so here we have to give slash. First slash is for escape sequence, then next slash that I have to print. First slash is for the escape sequence, it is a symbol of escape sequence. Then next slash should print in the symbol to be printed in the output. Then here also I have to end with the slash. The word hello I have to end with the slash. So for that again give slash. That slash is for escape sequence. Then next slash, the slash to be printed. Okay, now compile, close. That means here slash n is a new line character. So after printing hello inside the single slashes, the sentence how are you will be printed in the next line inside 2 single quotes. Now let us see the output. Hello, it will be in the slashes, then how are you is inside the single quotes. That means after slash some characters are there like a slash, single quotes, slash n, tab, it will display in the output. That is a use of escape sequence. Hope it is clear. Thank you.